1, 2, 3. SAP Business One is widely accepted as one of the go-to ERP brands for small to mid-sized manufacturing companies. But even the best ERP system can be improved. Netronic Manufacturing extends SAP Business One with modules tailor-made for the kind of roles we see in manufacturing. Those modules are grouped into 4 functional areas: build, schedule, produce, and inspect. In this video, we focus on schedule. Schedule simplifies production scheduling with an easy-to-use visualization and production optimization tool. It provides a global view of all production and resources. It takes account of dependencies and resource constraints, and is integrated into the wider SAP Business One ecosystem to align production with other areas of your business, such as purchasing, sales, and the shop floor. Schedule helps you plan resource availability, for example, the planning of machine time, to include scheduled downtime for maintenance. Schedule allows you to differentiate resources based on capability. Machines and operators can be allocated to groups that must be used for specified jobs in a process. Where multiple resources can be used for the same job, Schedule can automate the allocation of work based on availability rather than membership of a group. Schedule helps you coordinate and optimize the production schedule to ensure efficient use of resources. It makes it easier to identify and resolve bottlenecks, resulting in less downtime and smoother operations, and delivers clear visibility of the production schedule and progress. The combination of SAP Business One and Schedule in Netronic Manufacturing will improve productivity, improve reliability of delivery time commitments, and improve customer experience. To find out how SAP Business One could help your business, please download a copy of our SAP Business One Beginner's Guide for Manufacturing. Link is in the description. Thank you.